Morning everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I'm getting a lot of flack for having put my chickens outdoors, which I find odd in the first place. Anyway, whatever. So I'm getting a lot of flack for having put the chickens outside, and that it's cruel and unkind and evil and stupid and a lot of other things. But I want to show you frost outside, bitter cold. It was 1 degree in the night, 1 degree last night, and I put, because there was a raccoon in the area, I just pulled this up and I go, what I did is I put a piece of sheet metal on the top and then a tarp over the front at night, okay? And that protects the chickens, because the top, if you remember, was just a piece of wire screen that wasn't fastened down so I can reach in and do my things. So I put a metal top on there to protect the birds from predators, and then the tarp just stops wind flow at night. So let's open this up and see if the birds are alive after... Melanie, how long has this been? A week now? Yeah. It's been a week, I think, since they've been outside. But you'll see on the video date when I uploaded the last video and this one. So let's see if they're alive. Oh, there they are, asking for their morning breakfast. They all come out when I open the gate. They all come out begging for their breakfast. Every single one of them is alive and well. And it is cold. It is really, 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 really cold. So I have to get myself in here in a minute. But back in there is nice and warm. I'll get my laser thermometer later. I have to find it because we haven't used it in a while. But up inside there, I'll shoot the laser in there and we'll check the temperature later on when I find it. But it is really, 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 really cold. But chickens in nature are outdoor animals. And on the farm, the mother chick hen lays on the chicks during the night to keep them warm. And during the day, they wander out for food. They have to wander out for food because food is not under the chicken. So this is natural. They will get out and they will get some fresh air. And they're begging for their breakfast, so I better get on that. Then the cat is sort of their protector.
Really?
That's the pepper ball. Come here. Still a little shy. Come on. I'm not going to eat you. Melanie might, but I won't. Come on. And now the birdies are out. I don't know if you can see the fence. I put up a fence and I gave them an outdoor runway. Today is warmer, and I better get on the other side of this wind. So today is warmer and the birdies are out. They got fresh air and fresh area to run, and they can lay in the sun. And yeah, this is good. Right now they're in a feeding frenzy. I just put some food out for them, and they're in a feeding frenzy. And they'll eat that empty in a couple minutes probably. And we feed them now 5-6 times a day. They eat a lot. They've outgrown this little red one, and they're in a long feeder now. Slows down some of the fighting over that little tiny one. Gives them a longer place to feed. And during the daytimes, we're going to let them out and run around outside like this from now on. So they're doing good. Doing really good.
You're eating over here. I thought to pee.
Hey, you like it? Huh? You like it?
She's eating this one. Don't eat that.
She can swing herself a little bit. Yeah, she can swing herself. What do you think about that, moving around?
This is really safety though.
Hey. Hello.
Hey.
She's looking at the camera.
A smile.
This is her first ever swing ride.
It looks like she likes it.
I think so. Are you a chicken? So it's it was 57 degrees at home. I don't know what it is here. I've got a jacket on because we're by the lake, but it's really nice out.
Yeah, we want to say thank you to the person who gave this.
Oh, the hat.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Yeah, it is. We got some photos today down by Mom and Dad's lake, and Michelle was laying in the snow. I think she sort of likes it. So this is where we're probably going to spend a lot of time this summer. Swings right by the lake. Oh, it's going to be awesome. This is where we live now. Oh, it's so great. Look at the sky today. Unbelievable. So clean and clear. There's nothing out there. Nothing. Wow. Incredible day. Taking the family out to the lake. We're just enjoying, we're just stopping. We went to the cabin and we came here, and oh, look at the mountains on the top, or the hill back there. Imagine having a home up there. The view, wow. Well, continue our walking and cruising here. Morning everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project, surrounded by my work. And oh, this one's firing back up. I have been working on mining for the past few months, and it is helping to pay the bills since YouTube has gone down and my income is 1/6 of what it used to be. I can no longer make videos every day for a living like I used to. Sadly, I really would love to do that and keep on going like I have been, but until they change things, that's just not a viable option for me. So this right here, this one is finalizing testing stages. It's just firing up. You might hear the fans get louder, and it's on its own rack. This one is being built and needs a framework to go onto. This is how I build it and get it working, because oh boy, when you're putting one of these together, there's no point in hard wiring it up, because you're going to be popping things out and putting it back in and testing and experimenting and moving things and trying somewhere else and trying something else, and it can take days to get one of these things running properly. So this is how it starts. But that's not the point of this video. Just wanted to explain. I've been working on miners, and it is offsetting our expenses. It is helping to pay the bills, where YouTube is no longer a viable option for full-time well, for me anyway, and I think many others. And that brings me to another point. I have been working on DIYtube.video. The links will be down below. My electronics channel has been demonetized and lost all partner privileges from YouTube. So it's on DIYtube.video, and I'll put the links below. So if you were interested in my electronics channel, go check it out. I've been doing a lot of work on that. Really been working a lot on my tactical channel, by the way, which is still on YouTube but also on DIYtube. Been having a lot of fun and doing some fun survival and outdoor videos, and reviewing some awesome products on TR, Tech Tactical, and Survival. And the main point is DIYtube video is pretty much ready for the public. It's going to be an ongoing project for years to come. There's always going to be changes to be made and always going to be work to be done, but it's ready for the public. Come on over, start uploading your videos, and we're going to have something very unique on this site. The unique thing is we're going to do revenue sharing, but with a twist. Since we don't have any ad income coming in, what we're going to do is create a new cryptocurrency, like what I'm mining here. We're going to create a new cryptocurrency, and we're going to pay you for interaction on the site in cryptocurrency. And so once we're ready, I'm going to start giving out cryptocurrency to people who are uploading videos. The first 1,000 people who come over and upload 10 videos each are going to get 1,000 coins given to them for free. And then the first 1,000 channels that have 100 subscribers on their channel will get 1,000 coins. And then ongoing after that, we're going to continue every month paying people out based on interaction on the site. I'm almost ready with the coin, so you guys can come on over and start uploading your videos now and spread the word. Anybody interested in getting cryptocurrency and having a new place to share your videos, by the way, spread the word about DIYtube.video and bring everybody on over there. So everything I do here is copied over there, but my electronics channel now is exclusively over there because there's no reason for me to continue on for nothing. So at least over there I'm paying myself in a way with the cryptocurrency, so that'll work out. And for those of you who believe in cryptocurrency market, it's a great way to jump in on a new project that has massive potential. I haven't found any example of this ever having been done in the entire world where you will be paid in cryptocurrency for interacting on the videos. And you'll be able to reinvest the currency in the system in various ways. So that's all coming up very, very soon. And then I'm going to form a blockchain and run the entire system on its own blockchain. So there's going to be 2 stages and two coins produced. And that'll be a mineable coin, so people with mining rigs like this can get involved as well. And then all the database and everything will be on its own blockchain, which is very, very stable and secure then, because then there's multiple copies of everything out there. So if one computer dies, the system is still running. It provides extremely awesome stability. So check it out, guys. I'll put the links down below to my 3 channels over there, and tell everybody to come on over and start uploading videos. So I'm going to get this up to you. I know it's going to be a little bit late, but I've got my work to do. So I'll talk to you later. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, and DIYtube.video.